Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change the sky on your videos in CapCut PC. So I just have this video and I'm just going to place it on the second track. I'll select remove background and I'll select chroma key instead of auto removal. Select the color picker and select the blue area. This will just load. There we go. And adjust the intensity here. I know some of it will be like removed because like some of the colors like are blue, but you can kind of adjust it a little bit since I'm adding like another blue colored sky, but just with more clouds. Hopefully I think I'm just going to adjust the color picker a little bit better. I'm just going to place it underneath, and now your I guess object is on top of a new sky, and that's how you can basically change the sky color on, well, the sky on your videos in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!